She's got Benny Hill. She's got the. I don't get it.
Why.
I'm more like. Las Vegas friends, it's J and K, staying in Vegas. We are on a staycation here at the Downtown Grand, downtown Las Vegas. We booked a king suite for the amazing price of like $93, including resort fees
and everything. It's ridiculous.
So we're gonna see how their cleanliness is, their hygiene, all the sanitizing's going. So why don't you come with us and we'll check out the Downtown Grand. We're excited. We hope you are too. Let's go.
So one night we have you book for a city suite. If I could just have you sign here at the bottom, please.
Not a great start so far. Didn't have a really good person at the check-in. Not very cordial. So now I'm walking all the way back across the street to the parking structure. Drive the car all the way around with all the luggage, and then drive it back to go park again. Hope it gets better than this. Okay guys, so just dropped off all our luggage. Had a very nice bell desk guy. Told him, you know, that we're a little frustrated. It's kind of an interesting time right now, but still, you know, it's like you need to win the business back. And we like to be positive, as you know, in all of our videos. But yeah, that wasn't a very good first experience. Let's hope the room is much better. Right here, guys, is the parking structure that's extremely close to the hotel, but it's for the team members, for employees. Yeah. I guess that's not for customers to be closer to your hotel. Hope this gets better. Don't make the mistake I just did, friends. This parking structure is technically across the street, but it is a distance if you've got luggage and everything else. So go to the loading zone first. It's on 3rd Avenue here in downtown. Unload all your stuff, then come here across the street and park your car. At least it's free parking. That's part of your resort fee. Anyway, we will take a full room tour. Hopefully things get better, but we're off to a little bit of a rocky start here at the Downtown Grand. Alright guys, so here's our room 1804. Christina has already come up. We got the king suite. We'll tell you how much we got it for. Oh. Well, this is interesting. There's Christina. My mood's changed a little bit.
I love this room. I'm just gonna say one thing. It just smells kind of nursing home in here.
It does?
Yeah. It just, like after you're in here for a few minutes, I'm like, it doesn't smell dirty. It's just, you know, I don't like the smell of nursing homes. So it came out me like really quickly. But there's some paint kind of, you know, chipped here and there. But I love the vibe in here. Check out, there's a bar.
Yeah, so we got this room, I'll have to look it up, but I believe it was $63 a night without the resort fee, all included. I believe it was $93, but I will get back to you on that.
Yeah, but it's a nice room.
Here's our TV. Looks like it's hanging down.
Let me show you the view.
Got the.
Hello.
Scan this a little bit. Look at that. Circa. Go check out our video on that. That's gonna be up in December. In December. We are on the top floor. And you can't knock that for the view. But yeah, let's continue a little room tour here. So, yeah.
Your
Have a
little
seat.
seats so people can watch you as you lay in bed, which is
Okay, that's
Okay,
a different
cool.
video.
I'm just saying.
So let's be positive. Let's try to turn the corner here. We've got, let's see, we've got outlets here on the lamp. We've got the Timex. I haven't seen that brand of alarm clock since 1975.
I was gonna say the same thing.
It doesn't appear that there are, just looks like a drawer. There's the storage there.
Kind of
got
a soft, bouncy bed.
soft,
Not
bouncy
firm.
bed.
Bouncy.
So let's take a look at the bathroom. There's a large mirror. Let's see, on this side, I'm assuming it's just the same power outlet again. Yes, it is. Remote. What's interesting is I've seen in a lot of other people's videos as well that it will say sanitized or some kind of cardboard, you know, to let you know that's been cleaned and disinfected.
Or
But-
even something on the outside of the room.
right before
That's
we break
like,
the seal.
yeah, and I didn't see any of that.
Yeah.
So
So let's check out the bathroom here. Looks very nice.
So when you wash your hands, you have to go way over here to dry them.
All the way over there to dry them.
And yeah,
Are there any? Well, there are towels here.
those are washcloths.
I guess you could dry your hands on those as
I
well.
guess.
There's
That's cool.
there's the old ladies' makeup mirror.
Old ladies makeup mirror?
I said a ladies.
Oh, all right. Just clarifying.
Hopefully I did. And in here is a separate toilet room.
It's
And
not really that big.
a light that barely comes on.
Huh.
So, yeah, I guess it's mood lighting while you do your business.
Shower.
The shower
No
looks.
door.
There's no door in the shower.
Fine though.
It's pretty large. You got your few necessities from H2O therapy. It's probably a hotel brand. And then we got your obligatory safe here, a hair dryer and an iron. And actually an ironing board. I will say that that's a good thing.
Yeah,
So-
but in a room this big, I would like a refrigerator.
Granted, maybe it's in the bar here.
Oh, maybe I spoke too soon.
Let's see if we spoke too soon. Look at that.
Okay, here's the issue. It opens this way.
So the door.
Yeah, I was
door
pulling the
this
wrong way.
Goes this, and then that goes that way. Okay.
Yeah, well, you know,
All right.
can't
And
have it all.
so there's just nothing over there typical underneath the sink. So, but you could use it for storage, I guess, if you had about 20 people up here. Yeah, this is a little seating area and a little table. So I guess you could just a little workstation here. Guess you could just chill here and you know, chill. I don't really know if the restaurants are open downstairs.
That's kind of weird because it said it was open. There was a big sign there that said their cafe, their main restaurant in here. But
yeah,
then the dude at the front, which isn't even a whole other story.
Yeah, the guy at the front desk said
You can order in, but you gotta eat out. Because I was like,
Yeah.
oh, so
we can't
is
dine
it-
in. He said, no, you can dine in, but you just have to take it to go.
He was rude anyway, so I have a bone to pick with him anyway.
Let's hope that we get a little better here. The room is very nice. It could use a little bit of paint touch-ups.
But
Yeah.
it is cool though. I mean, like if you're into vintage Vegas and
It's
that
definitely got
kind
a vibe.
Yeah. I'm hearing Benny Hill music in my ears.
Benny Hill. I'm thinking more Frank Sinatra.
All right.
I mean, you got red. It's kind of swanky. Yeah, she's got Benny Hill. She's got the. I don't
know
get it.
why.
I'm more like, luck be a lady tonight.
No. It's definitely vintage Vegas. I'm saying the size of the room. That's why I'm thinking
Still
that
don't get the Benny Hill thing. I don't understand the Benny Hill thing.
Maybe somebody does. I don't
Cold,
know. but-
dark, rainy 70s
No,
and 80s.
the dancing around in circles. That's what I'm thinking.
So the dancing around in circles. So you're saying the room here where you could run around Like Benny Hill?
That's what it would be. Back to Frank and Dino.
Yeah. I don't know what she's on, and I probably shouldn't get on it anyway. So, maybe the dye went to her head. So anyway, folks, we're gonna find something to eat. We're starving, and we'll get back at you. Alright guys, so decided on a place called Flippin' Burgers. Hopefully it's good. Got a nice hostess on the phone, so that's a good start. Okay, great, thank you.
So we are at Flippin' Chicken and Burgers. It's like a barbecue kind of little joint. They've got chicken sandwiches, chicken tenders, hamburgers. They actually have the Impossible Burger, but they also have boozy shakes. So as you can see, they have these different ones, all kinds of different flavors, banana nut, white chocolate macadamia, I believe, peanut butter. There's all kinds of really yummy flavors, and they have the custard kind of shakes. So we're gonna try the food and let you know what we think. So we got onion rings as an appetizer. And I'm always curious how people do the coating on here, so let's see how it is. Really good. I think it's just a straight up breadcrumb kind of coating, but everything's better with ketchup. Here's my Impossible Burger. So yeah, but it's actually the Flippin' Burger. So they have something called Flippin' sauce. So basically, it's mild. It's Thousand Island dressing with a little bit of zest to it. I got coleslaw instead of French fries, and I asked for some barbecue sauce because I love barbecue on my hamburger.
So I got another barbecue bacon cheeseburger. I guess I'm predictable. Anyway, we're gonna try these out, and we'll let you know how good everything is, or how tasty everything is. That's really good. That's really good.
You guys, this is a really good burger. It's an Impossible Burger, but the way they cook it and they season it, it's really, really good. Now you get to watch me eat it on camera. It's really, really good, but then I need my barbecue sauce. Delicious. Really, really good. Okay guys, so this is something I've been wanting to try. It looks like a little ice cream, maybe sundae parfait. It's custard and mixed with macadamia cookies and some nuts in there. So I know this is like the newest rage, and I love custard. I love macadamia cookies. I love macadamia nuts. Oh my God. So it's frozen custard, and they have these pieces of cookie up here, and they taste like they would be warm, so they're really, really soft, but the custard in there, oh my gosh. If you like these desserts, because it's like, you know, people are starting to carry these more and more, holy cow. I can't even talk because the cookie's so good.
Thanks, Matt. You too. All right, guys, so we just got done at Flippin' Good Burgers and Chicken.
They were really good.
Yeah, it was really good.
Really good service.
Yeah, really good service. Shout out to Matt if he ever watches this video.
Definitely Matt. Ask for Matt. He's a super great guy.
Yep. And you saw Kay had a custard shake. And
Oh my
I actually
God.
decided to get chocolate malt, but we didn't film that. But
Plain old chocolate malt. But he said it was good. So, but yeah, that custard. Oh my God. And just big chunk. That's why I was almost like I couldn't talk because I took out the cookie and there was more. So there's big chunks of cookie and
it's a meal in itself.
It really is more than I expected, yeah.
And this is down at Fremont Street, if we didn't mention before, just right past the zip line.
Yeah.
So we're right here on Fremont Street, and come check it out. It's really good. It's a country kind of vibe, real small place.
Yeah,
but,
small place.
But it is really good. So it's still early. It is only 4:45. J&K, stay in Vegas, staying in downtown.
Yeah.
Okay, friends, last time when we were doing the room tour, we forgot about a bathroom. There's actually 2 bathrooms in here. So
You didn't know there was another bathroom.
So this just gives you perspective. Our nice little living room here. But as you come in the front door, say hello to Kay right there. There's another bathroom.
Ta-da!
So yeah, we just thought we'd show you that. It's a very nice bathroom. It looks clean.
It's the guest bathroom.
Yes, it's the guest bathroom.
Yes, because we have the main bathroom
Yes.
in the back.
Yes, exactly. Las Vegas friends, that's going to do it for us here for the Downtown Grand. As you could see, we had a few issues. Try to remain positive. Would you recommend?
No.
I will say that the valet guy that helped me after
he was awesome.
He was really awesome. Please consider subscribing, hit that red button, hit the bell notification so you can be alerted to every time we post a new video, just like this one. Give us a thumbs up. You know how to do that, Kate.
What are they waiting for?
Ring the bell.
Yep.
Yeah, and subscribe.
Yep.
We really appreciate it. Helps our little channel grow. We're off to our next adventure.
Come along.
And so we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.